Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making Rasta pasta. So I started off by boiling up penne noodles. Then I put the peppers in the pan with some butter and seasoning. So once the peppers was done, I went ahead and started with the shrimp. I'm using jerk seasoning and some jerk sauce. If you're enjoying my video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Now it's time to put the shrimp in the pan with some butter and let it cook. So once the shrimp and noodles was done, I went ahead and started with the sauce. So I'm using some heavy cream. I'm gonna add some seasonings and some cheese. You're gonna make sure you mix it until the sauce get thick. And then you're gonna add the green peppers in. And then I'm gonna add the shrimp in. So now I'm just mixing everything in, and then I'm gonna be making my plate and show you how it look. So I'm just gonna add some of the sauce I had left over from the shrimp and mix it up again, and there you go.